welcome to science class. In this class we are learning about safety rules and first aid. Okay, where we have to follow these safety rules while we are at home, while we are at school, and while we are traveling on the road. So we have to follow safety rules. What are the safety rules while playing in the playground also? Okay. At home, how you have to behave? You have to keep all your things in one place. Do not touch sharp objects like knife and do not touch electric wires because it may get shocked. So, you have to follow these safety rules at home. And while at playing, you have to play in the open area. If you are playing with football or cricket, where you have to play? You have to play in the open area. You should not play indoors, those outdoor games. Playing with ball, it may hurt others, those who are sitting at home. So where we have to play these games? These games you have to play in outdoors. Okay? And while playing, if you get hurt, what we have to do? First, we have to inform our parents. First, you have to inform your parents. Afterwards, you have to clean that wound and your parents will apply the bandage or ointment, whatever is required. So, first thing what you have to do? You have to inform it to your parents. Okay, that is the thing you have to follow. And while traveling on the road, what you have to do? You have to stand straight, walk straight, and you have to walk in the right place, right side of the road. Do not run on the road. Don't run on the road. Okay, this is the first thing. Always walk on the footpath. Don't spit on the roads. And if you want to cross the road, use zebra crossing. And we have to follow traffic rules. That is, you look here, traffic signal is there, no? Have you observed traffic signal? It has 3 lights, red light, yellow light and green light. You have learned right now? Red light, what do you say? What red light says? Red light says stop. If it is red in the traffic signal, you have to stop our vehicle. And if it is yellow light, we have to wait. If it is green light, then we have to move. We have to go. Red light says stop. Yellow light says wait. Green light says go. Okay, we have to observe the signal and move accordingly. Okay, next, where we have to cross the road? Zebra crossing. We have to cross the road at zebra crossing. What is zebra crossing? Have you observed that black and white stripes on the road? That is zebra crossing. We have to cross from there only. Then all the vehicles coming from that side, they will move slowly so that we can cross the road. That is the safe place to cross the road. What is that? Zebra crossing. Walk on the footpath. Cross the road at zebra crossing. And follow traffic signal. These are the rules we have to follow on the road. Okay? Next, while riding the bus, while getting into the bus, how we have to behave? Do not rush and get into the bus. We have to follow a queue line. Always follow queue line and get into the bus. Don't try to catch the running bus. When the bus is stopped, then we have to get in. Okay? Those are the rules we have to follow near the bus. And while swimming, you all like swimming. No, this is summer. You want to go for swimming. What are the rules we have to follow? one cap, then we can swim safely. Those are the rules to follow at swimming pool. Don't go alone. You have to follow your parents. You have to follow your parents, then only you have to go to swimming pool. Okay? Water is very dangerous, so don't go alone near the water, any water place. And at home, don't play with sharp objects. Don't play with electric boats. These are the things we have to follow at home. And in case if you get hurt at home, you have to inform your parents. In case if you get hurt at school, you have to inform your teachers. Then parents will do the first aid. What is first aid? First aid is the treatment given to the injured person before the doctor comes. Okay. What are the things that are available in first aid box? Burnol, Dettol, bandage, ointment. All these are the things we have to maintain in first aid box. Okay? At your home also you prepare one box, take one box and keep all the things, one Dettol, one bandage, one Burnol. Like that you keep all the things and write on that first aid box. You keep it at home so that it will be handy for us. Whenever if we want to use, we can take it and use it. Okay, from this lesson we will learn words. Look at the board. Safety rules. S-A-F-E-T-Y. Safety. R-U-L-E-S. Rules. Safety rules. Alert. A-L-E-R-T. Alert. Footpath. F-O-O-T. Foot. P-A-T-H. Path. Footpath. Cross. C-R-O-S-S. Cross. Traffic lights. T-R-A-F-F-I-C. Traffic. L-I-G-H-T-S. Lights. Traffic lights. Q. Q-U-E-U-E. Q. Sharp. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp. Blade. B-L-A-D-E. Blade. Electric. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C. Electric. First aid. F-I-R-S-T. First. A-I-D. Aid. First aid. These are the words. Learn these words, write neatly and practice this drawing also. Now we will learn question answers. I will read the question. Answers are there on the board. Look at the board. Where should we walk on the road? We should walk on the right side of the road. We should walk on the right side of the road. Second one. Where should we cross the road? We should cross the road at zebra crossing. We should cross the road at zebra crossing. Third question. Write any two safety rules that we should follow while playing. Answer. Do not play on the road. Play in playground or in park. Fourth question. Why should we not touch electric wires and switches? We should not touch electric wires because they may give shock. Fifth question. What is first aid? First aid is the treatment given to an injured person before the doctor comes. First aid is the treatment given to an injured person before the doctor comes. Sixth question. What are the things in the first aid box? Cotton, Dettol, bandage and tape. Cotton, Dettol, bandage and tape. These are the question answers. Learn these question answers and write neatly in your notebooks. Welcome to maths class. Till last class we have learned tables 2 to 5. So are you all learning tables daily, practicing regularly? Now I will ask you in middle, you have to tell me, okay? You have to practice like this also. Not only full table, you have to tell in middle also. 2 twos are. How much? 2 twos are? 4. Practice like this. 2 twos are 4. 3 fours are 12. 1 to 12. 3 fours are 12. 4 threes are 12. 5 threes are 15. 3 fives are 15. 2 eights are. How much 2 eights are? If you are not getting, just revise the 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Then you get it. 2 eights are 16. 3 nines are. How much 3 nines are? 27. 3 nines are 27. 5 fours are. 5 fours are 20. 4 fives are 20. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 3 sevens are 21. 4 twos are 8. 5 fives are 25. I am telling you, you have to practice these tables daily. Then only you will get multiplications. Okay? Practice these tables and try like this also in middle. Okay? Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Hindi class. In this class we are going to learn again orals. Orals, are you practicing sentences how to read? Okay, good children. Today we will practice, that is in page number 50. Open your books and come on, read along with me. Try to read, how to read, okay? Come on, start. पतंग उड़ी है पीली लाल, फल खा गया चुन्नी लाल, बकरी चलती टेढ़ी चाल, भवन बना है आलीशान, मछली की है जल में जान, यज्ञ मन को करता शुद्ध, रथ पर राजा करता युद्ध. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट लाइन. लड़की हलवा खीर खाती, वन की छाया बड़ी सुहाती, शलगम मूली गाजर खा, षटकोण का चित्र बना, सरसों के पीले पीले फूल, हवा चली उड़ी धूल, क्षत्रिय की तुम सुनो कहानी, त्रिशूल की जबानी. ज्ञानी यही दिलाते याद, श्रम करो बनो महान, समय का करो सदा मान. Okay children, these are the sentences and how to read you have to practice. Okay children, with this we have completed our portion. Okay, and practice well these sentences children, and see you in next class. Thank you, bye.